What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Pat. At kukontinue namin yung popular NBA Western Conference Power Rankings. So, gulat kami sa comments. Madami. Considering we rarely do NBA. But since the season is ramping up, it's something that we could build upon on. So ngayon is the NBA Eastern Conference Power Rankings. And for those who don't know, Pat is a friend of mine. Matagal na kayo magkakilala. He's the reason why wala siya dito. Pero yung Steph Curry jersey ko na nakikita nyo in other videos. And of course, Pat, dahil this is our... Nakita mo ba yung ibang table or no? Ito lang. You just only see the
Yeah,
Canva.
I can see the Canva lang. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay. Kasi
Let's do
binubuksan ko
it.
yung...
Let's do it.
Okay. So this is an NBA Eastern Conference Power Rankings. We will be giving our teams from 15 to 1, wherever we think how the regular season might end, or at least not might end, however we think the regular season might start, no? Na
Yeah.
entering the season, ito yung current ranking nila. So Pat, do the honors. Ikaw yung unang magbigay ng 15th seed mo.
Okay, my 15th
Mm.
for what do you call this? The East.
Mm.
Feeling ko pa halos pareho tayo. Baka
Ano?
switch lang. Compared sa LA, ay LA tuloy. Oops. Compared
Oops.
dun sa West natin na medyo malayo yung jump.
Mm.
Um, I'll start with ano. I'll start with the Nets.
Okay. Ako rin. Brooklyn Nets. Same tayo doon.
Nets.
Backup kita sa Brooklyn Nets mo. Ano yung reason mo bakit why is Brooklyn the last team?
Kasi
Bano sila eh.
rebuild team. They got Michael Porter Jr.
Mm.
pero support guy yun eh.
Hindi siya main guy. And wala,
I don't
basically
think
you just
he's
only
a
have
man.
MPJ, Cam Thomas, di ba?
Yeah. Si Cam Thomas, yeah. Again, lalaban yan, but I don't think may enough pieces for them to get out of the 15th or 15 14.
Okay, so 15 ng
Siguro
Brooklyn
they're gonna be
Nets.
a fun team to watch, pero eh.
Yeah, it's a rebuilding team. It's really the bottomest of the bottom. They've had
Mhm.
five first round rookies from the previous draft. Pero, di ba, we're gonna see how that's gonna play out. And alam mong wala kang 15 win team at best for me.
Yeah.
15.
If they go above that, super surprising.
If they go 16, super surprising.
Yeah.
Number 14 ko, dahil same naman tayo sa 15, are the Washington Wizards. Di ba? Ano ka? Hindi, sige, ako muna. Di mo muna i-spoil.
Sige.
For me, Washington Wizards kasi, uh, rebuilding year again. Sina Chris Middleton nandito, CJ McCollum is here. I feel like kaya nila mag 20 plus wins. The role of McCollum and Middleton is to be the vets for sina
Yeah.
Keyshawn George, sina Bob Carrington, Alex Sarr. Siya yung
Elder
ano,
statesman yan.
mga elders. Kailangan mo ng ganun, di ba, Pat? You need vets for a young team. Kasi kung lahat kayo bata, who's gonna guide you? Di ba? Wala namang makakasay na this is what I did before. You need vets like
Very
Middleton and
true.
McCollum.
Very true. Very, very true.
Pero it's gonna be a work in progress. But if you see big leaps from Alex Sarr, Carrington, Keyshawn George, and then that means it's gonna be good, diba? It means
True.
na you're headed in the right direction, and that is the core you're going to keep in the long run.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Sino sa'yo?
Sa akin, medyo ano though, medyo slight different lang tayo. Slightly different.
Mm.
Um, Indiana.
14!
Brad,
Okay.
Brad,
Bakit? Paka-explain.
Tay won't be available for
Okay,
almost
Halliburton. Miles
wala.
Turner.
Wala si Miles Turner.
Oh.
Miles Turner is in Milwaukee already. I'm sure you know that.
Mm.
Sino pa? For
But
me,
they're system reliant.
Pascal is a complementary player.
Pero 14? Grabe.
That's me, that's me. I may be wrong.
Okay,
I may
that's
be
you.
wrong.
Hindi kita judge. Hindi
Yeah,
kita
yeah.
judge. This is
No,
your
no, kasi
ranking.
kasi simula nung lumipat si what do you call this? Si Turner and di ba,
Miles
well,
Turner.
mali. Simula na injure si Halliburton. Sabi ko,
Okay.
okay lang. Turner's there. Pagbalik ni Hallie, hopefully baka kayanin niya yung after the All-Star break or maybe playoffs. Damn, nawala rin si Miles Turner.
Oh.
Tapos sino nandyan? Sino nandyan? For me, sobrang gulo nila. Pero itong Indiana ko ano yan? Ga- unsure ako dyan. It's just that I don't see them winning without those guys.
For you, malaking factor si Miles Turner and Halliburton to the point na they're not gonna be even in the play-in. They're going to be a bottom dweller.
I think they will be a bottom dweller. Kasi sino ba? Oh, sino yung big man nila? Uh well, wait. I'm not considering James Wiseman here.
Yeah, hindi siya needle mover. Hindi siya needle
Yeah,
mover.
okay. Sige. Look at that lineup.
Diyan pa naman si sina Obi Top. Yeah, very
Neesmith, Neesmith. Sa kasi ano? Sige, Benedict Mathurin.
mm.
Pero sinong facilitator nila? Si ano talaga?
It's gonna be
Si
TJ. TJ McConnell na.
TJ McConnell or who's that guy? Um Sino to? The one with Nemhard.
Naismith, sorry, Nembard, Andrew, si Andrew.
Yeah.
Pwede, pwede. Ako medyo high ako sa Pacers.
Actually, if you look at the NBA.com, nasa ninth sila.
Siguro,
If you look at
well,
the NBA,
di ko sa spoil
NBA.
yung list ko. Not gonna spoil my
Yeah.
list.
So yeah, anyway, yun nga, ninth sila. It's just that ako lang, nakikita ko lang na yung if you have yung two of your pillars, walang-wala talaga.
Nosedive para sa'yo.
Super, super.
Okay.
Pero unlike doon sa Lakers ko, feeling ko ito pwedeng mali. Pwedeng mali to.
Unlike sa Lakers
Hindi
ko.
ko lang talaga hindi ko lang kasi talaga makita ito kasi para ito literally puro role player na tira eh.
Okay, okay.
Kung meron diyang yung naghihintay lang ng break, yung Eminem moment, lose yourself siya na parang you only got
Eminem.
shot.
Parang si
Bigla siya
ano, yung
nagalimaw.
taga Lasal. Pero di ko na sasabihin pangalan. Yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Coach, pasok
Okay.
ako.
Coach, pasok na ako. Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Ito na yun. Okay, number 13 ko are the Charlotte Hornets. For me, Charlotte Hornets kasi, uh, LaMelo and Brandon Miller, they're there. Those are the pieces you need.
Mhm, mhm.
Uh, the problem always with the Charlotte Hornets is can they stay healthy? But
Yeah,
they are never healthy. LaMelo will play 10 games straight and then he's gonna go down with an ankle injury. He's gone for 25 games. Next thing you know, they're two down the barrel
true,
na.
true.
That's
Pero
the
now,
curious. That's always with LaMelo and Brandon Miller, who was also injured last time.
grabe yun. Sayang, lakas sana nila.
Well,
Parang,
sucks
parang
lang. Feel ko bottom. Feel ko borderline playoff team sila. If we're in a
play-in,
perfect
play-in.
world. Play it. Oh, if in a perfect world, ah.
Yeah. Okay, for me, eto
Mm.
na, Washington.
Okay.
Washington. So for me
Okay.
naman, kaya lang sila higher than Indiana kasi this time mag-work yun nga. They're gonna have vets playing with them.
And you feel like, okay, na mas malaki yung boost ng mga bets na yun.
Yeah. Kumbaga, may generals to calm them down or boost their morale when needed. And of
Ako-
course, sila Sar naman, sila Carrington, they're very good.
Yeah, I mean, for a young guy, they're good. Ganun.
And
Okay.
wala na si Jordan Poole.
Wala na mag-jack up ng
Wala
shot.
nang magulo.
Actually, okay nga si Middleton and McCollum. They kind of complement. 'Di ba?
'Di ba?
Those guys know how to pass. Those guys are playmakers. Kahit paano, even though na shoot first si CJ, he can playmake.
Hmm. Yeah. Kumbaga,
Okay.
meron silang that alpha who can lead the charge in terms of scoring.
Okay. Interesting na to ah. Ginising mo ako ah. 14 pa lang,
Yeah.
ginising mo na ako ah. Number 12, Pat. Chicago Bulls. I have Chicago going at 12 for me. I'm not sure if you agree or not, pero I have the Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls, Matas Buzelis played well as a starter. He played incredible.
Mhm.
17.6 points per game, 59% true shooting, biggest jump in pace, second in pace, 3-point attempts, fifth in the league. The score that they have right now, Pat, is young, it's fresh. May direction na.
Yeah.
After trading Zach Levine and DeMar. Nagkaroon na sila ng direction ngayon. Alam na natin where they're headed. Josh Giddey is still there. The playmaker. He complements Matas Buzelis. And for me, Chicago is a league pass team. It's a team na I would watch while I'm eating food, watch while I'm eating lunch, and
Mhm.
just enjoy the game. I feel like they're gonna make things exciting. I mean, at least in the regular season, not say make things exciting in the playoffs. Ikaw.
No, it's not that I don't agree with you.
We
Hindi
have
ko
not
lang
agreed except Brooklyn.
no. Hindi ko lang siya na follow masyado. However, I've been
Oh.
watching highlights nung this preseason.
Yeah.
Grabe si Buselis, ah.
Mm-mm. Nakakatawa
Grabe
siya
siya.
paloolan. Kang dami nagko-collect ng cards nila rin eh.
Yeah, I think they're building the team around him. Safe
Mm.
to say.
And Josh Giddey. Sino si Giddey
Yeah, and
kasi
Giddy.
mainstay?
Yeah, I think sila yan eh. But yeah.
Still a lot to do, still a lot to work with though.
Sobra.
Still a lot.
Not not a,
Vucevic is
not
still
a
there.
not a playoff team pa rin. But for me, my 12
Who's your 12?
is hold on.
Yung kodigo ko.
May kodigo ako. And magugulat ka dito. The Boston
Kanina pa ako
Celtics.
nagulat. Oh!
The Boston Celtics.
Wow! Ibang
The
klase
Boston
ka!
Celtics.
Pakita pong
Pero
si Kea, anong pinakain niya sa'yo? Bakit ganito to?
pero
Oh.
for me, because of recent developments, I think sobrang taas ng ceiling nila. Because I'm sure
What's the recent development? What
you've
are we talking about?
read about it na Tatum wants to play.
So yung 12 na to is of yung
No, no, ito
ranking
yung
ko
kung ito lang sila, 12. Mas gusto ko nga 15 eh. As a Boston fan, gusto ko 15 na lang sila.
ibang klase ka, Brad. Oh,
Pero um mag Jaylen Brown, Derek White. Tapos I think nakikita ko nagje-gel si Simons with them.
si Anthony,
Yeah.
okay.
Kaya Kaitas is good, 'di ba?
Pero for you, the losses of Tatum, KP, Drew Holiday are too much.
yeah.
That's why you have them at 12.
Mhm. Mhm.
And
Mhm.
so at feel ko may agenda ka and you want Boston to get a lottery pick.
No, if may agenda ko, I'd want them to go 15 na lang. Wag na lang. Tapusin na natin tong 2025. Tapusin na natin to.
May
Pero
agenda ako.
being realistic lang na 12 nga
Okay.
hindi maganda yan eh. Gitna eh. Pero
In the
pero
East pa? In the East, ha? We're talking
in
about
the
the
East.
East.
Mm. Pero yung
Wow!
nga sabi ko, they have the highest ceiling if indeed 'di ba? Maglaro ulit si Tatum. Kasi 5 months after the injury, he's been practicing already eh.
I don't wanna force it. Kung ako hindi ko pipilitin yun,
Yeah,
bro.
the assets yung mga yan eh, 'di ba?
Oo.
Pero ano raw eh, he informed the front office daw na he wants to play.
Sabi ng front office, ulus mo, hindi ka maglalaro.
You're
Kala mo,
you're you're a 30
mahal-mahal mo
million
ha?
per year
Mahal-mahal
guy.
mo ha? Ka,
Mag PS5 ka diyan.
PS5 ka dyan, yaman-yaman mo eh.
PS5 ka diyan. No,
Oh.
but yeah, ano lang 'yon. Again, guys, ano lang 'yan. If maglaro si Tatum. Pero yun nga, kaya ko siya nilagay sa 12. I don't think papayagan siya ng front office. So, I think they're gonna win games. I just don't know if it's gonna be enough for them to be even a play-in team.
Okay. Ako, number 11 ko, Toronto Raptors. Toronto Raptors because intriguing yung partnership ng Brandon Ingram,
Mhm.
RJ Barrett, you got Scotty Barnes. Ang ganda ng defense in the perimeter on paper. On paper, they look nice. Pero this looks like a team na puro slashers, no?
Mhm.
Pero kung lahat kayo slashers, in a way ba, hindi nagka-complement yung laro nila. On paper, they look nice, diba? But when you start to dissect it, we do talk about the analytics and everything.
Who's their
Sama ng
point guard
spacing.
again? Who's their point guard again?
Search natin. In Toronto Raptors roster. Si Grady Dick, di naman point guard yun. Two guard, 6'7"
Pero
yun.
Dick grew 2 inches
Ah,
daw.
si ano? Si Emmanuel Quickly na, bro. Pero shooting, ano yan eh. Shoot first yan na point guard eh. Hindi
Si
naman facilitator si IQ5. Mahal niya, bro. 32.5 mil.
Grady Dick grew 2 inches daw.
Oo, 2 inches daw. Two lang.
No, pero did you see, have you seen his games? Medyo he bulked up, ha? And
That's
then,
why I like Grady Dick. Okay naman siya. He did his work during the off-season. Pero pang
saka
11 lang
sometimes
Toronto.
nagpo-forward, nagpo-point forward si Scotty Barnes.
Scotty Barnes also, yes. But would you
Player ko
consider
siya
him a
sa
pure
fantasy
playmaker? Exactly.
last
Like,
year.
ngayon, ay ano strategy mo this year? Wala,
Yung
hindi mo pa
ano
siya
lang
share.
niya yung mata lang niya eh. So, yeah, I have them higher because
Vamos spoil, vamos spoil.
yeah, I won't spoil it. Sige. My 11 would be
Hmm. Who's
Charlotte.
your 11? Charlotte.
Charlotte.
Wow.
Charlotte.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, not wow naman kasi knowing na binaba mo na yung boss
Ah,
ng
no, 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 no.
Indiana.
No, no, no. It's Chicago pala. Chicago.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
It's Chicago pala. Yeah.
Niloko ka ng ano mo, kodigo mo ah.
Oo nga, ano, siya and she. Oh, oh,
Shot,
shoot.
she, oh, get shot, get shot.
Yeah, so anyway, Chicago, again, not the bottom dweller because I've been watching their games last year. Uh, most of the time natatalo sila sa dying seconds.
Mhm. Okay.
And with the maturity of their young guns, I think not enough, but a slight improvement.
Do you think they trade Nick Vucevic this year? Will this be the year that they trade Nick Vucevic?
Possible. Possible. Possible 'yun. Sino ba ang ano
They've,
nila?
they've been
Kasi
dangling him for years. They've been dangling him for years. And
dude,
nobody still wants to
ang
get.
mahal niya kasi.
Yeah, he's 21 mil.
Ang
With
mahal niya
A
for
34-year-old 21 mil. So for me, if you're a contender, I'll take the risk. Contender
yeah,
lang kukuha dyan if ever.
hindi na siya
Yuki, by the way.
bagay. Hindi na siya bagay dito. Tapos
Daming
every
gwardya,
year,
bro. Daming gwardya.
eto pa.
Carter, Dosunmu, Giddy,
Kaya sila Carter
Herter,
hindi na
Joe.
maglalaro yan. Pero for
Yeah,
me
I'm just
kasi
saying ang dami lang. Yeah.
every year, ito maintindihan mo itong sinasabi ko kasi ano to eh, box breaking pandemic year to.
Si
Si
Patrick
Kobe White
Williams. Ah,
gets
okay,
better
Kobe
every
White.
year. Gets better every year.
He is actually getting better every year. You are correct. Tama naman. Tama naman talaga. On point.
Tapos now he has better pieces with him, 'di ba? So I
Yeah,
think
he's gotten better, bro. Tama.
yeah, 'di ba?
Nag-improve. Medyo nag-ano lang nung 21, 22, 22, 20. Then, just picked it up. Nung nawala na sina DeMar. And a healthy guy. Look at that. He's been healthy for the past 2 years.
Mhm. So ano to guys? Fantasy hack 'yan.
Depende. Depende how you build your team, di ba? I mean, it
Kung
still
kung,
depends how you build your team.
kung mapanood nyo to before your draft. Ay, oo nga, may Kobe White pala.
Thank me later. Thank me later.
Yeah.
Gaganon si Pat.
But
Thank
yeah,
me
I think
later.
yun. Kobe White, Josh Giddey, um, Buzelis,
Sina ano? Ayo Dosunmu.
si
Pwede na.
Dosunmu.
Career high and rebounds
Si
sa si
Dosunmu
Giddey.
yung parang Keon
8.1.
Ellis mo eh.
Ang ganda ng stats si Giddey, bro. 15, 8, and 7.
Exactly. 'Di ba?
Very nice
Lahat yan
stats.
puro kick out yan kay na Kobe White eh. Andiyan pa ba si Patrick Williams, the
Yeah, he's
forever
here. But
injured guy? Forever
Is
injured guy?
he big forever injured? Teka nga, tingnan natin kung
Yeah.
totoo yung ano na yan. Oh yeah, he's been injured nga, bro. He's like
The best
82.
niya yung
Oh
82
nga.
niya, oh. Tapos 10 and, 'di ba? Rebounds niya 10 and 4. Hindi pa siya
Look at
gamit.
second year.
Yan
He's
yung
disappeared
year.
second year.
Same yan. Ano ba nangyari nung 22, 23? Sinong players sila niyan? Kasi tingnan mo, hindi siya gumagawa alongside Kobe White. Yan ba yung
Ah,
nandyan
it's
sila
okay.
Lavine?
Bro, di ako honestly, I don't follow Chicago that well to know what happened 3 years ago.
But anyway, kita mo 'yon.
Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hindi sila umano, but yeah, I think hindi yata sila. I think ano to, trust the process team na to. Trust the process.
Trust
They're
the process team.
they're working on things na. Yeah, I think key for them would be a Vucevic trade.
That's key
That's key
to
to
for a young
what will
piece
happen
for
to
the
their
full
next
youth
years.
movement.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But yeah, 10
Number
mo.
10 ko, Pat. Miami Heat. Miami Heat's a play-in team again.
Okay.
Great defensive team, pero underwhelming when it comes to offense. Top 10 in defense, 5 straight seasons. Pero yung funny thing here is 22 blown double-digit leads. 15 losses when leading after the third quarter. Mga fun key facts about Miami last year. Pero I like Khalil Ware. Nakita mo yung stat? I mean,
Sobra,
preseason.
sobra,
Preseason, di ba?
sobra.
Let's put the disclaimer. That was a preseason against Wemby. But that's still an NBA game. For me, that's still great to see.
He's 7 pala.
Yeah, matangkat si Khalil Ware. It's also long.
Tapos, he's been dribbling.
Yeah, para siyang Wemby. Well, di ko na sasabing Wemby like, di naman. Pero he has some assets of Wemby na hard to ignore.
Poor
Kaya akin
man's
naman
Wemby.
10.
May,
Why
may,
not, di ba? I'll take a poor man's Wemby in my
'di
team.
ba?
Oh. See, second year, Khalil Ware.
Wala lang
Let's
talaga
not
sila
forget that they
ang
still have Bam. They have Tyler Hero. You got those pieces pa naman.
Mhm,
But are
mhm.
they enough to propel you? Maybe. For me, they have a high ceiling, Pata. They have a high
Super,
ceiling.
super.
Do,
Sa akin lang, wala silang pure point
pure point. You are correct. They
because
do not have a pure
because
point.
Tyler Hero is like your Devin
Shoot
Booker na.
first. Shoot first.
Saka yung ano, he can play point. He can naman talaga for
But
sure.
he's not a floor
Is he a
general.
point? Hindi. Hindi siya point guard.
He's a
Hindi.
point guard siya by nature, but he plays like a two. He's a two
Yeah.
stuck in a point guard's body.
Kumbaga, he will score. Although hindi naman na to yung 90s era na kailangan pumapasa lang ang point guard na eh. Pero medyo old, call me old school, pero kailangan mo ng court general talaga eh.
Who's your 10? So that's my
My,
Miami.
okay, my 10th
That's my
is
10 pala. That's my Miami. That's 10, Miami.
my 10th is Charlotte.
Oh, okay. Wow, you're high on
Be-
Charlotte, huh? Yeah, you're high on
because
Charlotte. You have Charlotte
I
over Boston.
if I am not mistaken, lacking full-blown research. Airbnb is back. Ball and
Airbnb.
Ball and Bridges.
High ka sa kanila.
Yeah, I think di ba kasi last year ba yon yung daming suspension ni Bridges?
Yung because he beat up his wife, I think so.
So I think again, complete year for them and hopefully
Play-in team. For you, play-in team.
lalaban sila for that, definitely. Brandon
Interesting si Con
Miller,
Canepo. That's their
exactly.
rookie.
Ayan pa. Ayan pa. More shooting
Si
sa team
Con.
na to. Ang sa
And the
akin
hell,
lang, may tinitingnan lang ako dito.
meron pala kayong Sayon, no? James nga lang. Hindi sa Sayon
For me,
Williamson.
the only thing that will work against this team is that they're not the tallest.
Yeah, si Mason Plumlee lang talaga.
Mason
It's
is
just
what?
really
Oh, I
he's
think
like 6'11". But
si Baji.
he's
But
gonna help. Is he gonna help? Bro,
no, exactly.
I don't even know who Baji is. I don't even
Yeah.
know if he's signed. Wala nga salary eh. Baka,
Ba
diba, he's not
pero
gonna help, bro.
2.08. So that's around 7, right?
Sa NBA, they don't care about the hype na as much, no? Doesn't
Yeah.
matter if you're 7'2", 7'3". Magaling ang tanong sa NBA, magaling ka ba? Can you shoot threes? Can you defend? Sa NBA? Or are you as exceptional at one thing na we
Yeah.
have to keep you? Ganun sa NBA eh.
Well, if that's the case, I think they're gonna lalaban to. They're gonna play it out.
Playing team.
Plain team. But yeah, they're not tall. So if they go up against the bigger teams now who can grab the boards,
Out-rebounded siguro.
yeah, they will definitely be out rebounded. But you know Miles Bridges.
Yeah, I
May
know. He's okay.
Sino pa to? Miles Bridges and then sino to? Who's the NBA cards guy?
Brandon
Si ano?
Miller. LaMelo, who are we talking
Grant
about?
Williams. Grant Williams ba is still with them?
Yeah, pero
Yeah.
di ako high kay Grant Williams. So he's just a role
Yeah,
player.
role player. Yung mga walang stats,
Pero makakatulong sa intangibles, ganun ba yung
box
sasabi mo?
out, ganyan, 'di ba?
Si
Tapos
Antonio
yung
Reeves
ito,
pala.
yung
Puta.
pinsan ni Austin Reeves.
Pinsan ni Austin Reeves ang putik si Antonio.
Yeah. But yeah, yun nga.
Kamukha.
Na, pero yun nga, like what you said, I'm high on them. I think yung run and gun offense nila can propel them to a 10th seed.
10 seed. Okay, play-in team. Okay, number 9 ko,
Maybe a
Indiana
play-in team, yeah.
Pacers. For me, it's Indiana na.
Yeah, oh, so sakto ka with the ano with NBA.com. Yeah, number
I
9 yan
guess.
sila.
I guess if they have them at number 9. Kasi, I mean, for me, play-in team pa rin naman sila without Hali and Miles Turner. Enough na
Key
sa akin yung...
outstanding key outstanding free agent, Thomas Bryant.
Oh my God, that's not... Hindi ko alam bakit ang key yun eh. Yeah, Spicy P, Andrew Nembhard. Nandiyan pa naman si TJ McConnell. Pero dito natin makikita how big of a loss, how big losses are Tyrese and Miles Turner. You gave your reason already. Ako na siguro yung optimistic side of things. So yung
Yeah.
siguro yung nawala talaga identity nila. They dropped to 14 and somehow become worse than Washington, Chicago, and Charlotte.
Ako, let's put it this way.
Mm.
Dito malalaman, I mean, magaling naman talaga si Rick Carlisle, pero talagang sobrang galing niya if
If ano, ma-top 8 for you, kung top 8 at least.
ninth.
Kahit 9,
Totoo
for
yung ninth.
you, mas malaking respeto kay Rick Carlisle as he manages to put them at least in the play-in. Kasi 9-10 ang
Yeah.
play-in, di ba?
Kaya ako, I'm ano, I'd be happy to be wrong here. It's just
Oo
that
naman,
tinitingnan
oo
ko yung
naman.
tao lang.
Dapat ganoon naman talaga. Tingnan mo
Kung
yung tao-tao.
tao ko lang siya tinitingnan, feeling ko kakayanin siyang talunin ng most of the teams talaga.
Sige. Number 9 mo, Pat.
My ninth is Toronto.
Okay, gets ko naman. Gets ko rin naman ba Toronto?
Kaya Toronto kasi last year was a very bad year for Scotty Barnes.
Yeah, to his standards.
So, sobra niyang
Mm.
dami niyang did not play. Injured siya, ganyan, 'di ba? So I think basic Bowie year for him with better pieces alongside.
Okay, so ikaw naman yung best case scenario sa akin. Kasi ako sa Toronto, ano ako eh. High floor, low ceiling. So low ceiling.
Mhm.
Ito na yun. Number 8. Philly. For me, Philadelphia. Joshua, kung agree ka
Okay.
dyan. Philadelphia 76ers because I have heard news, I've seen news. Embiid
Philly
and
guy ka.
George. Hmm?
Philly guy ka. Or dahil sa
McCain
cards
guy.
lang.
McCain lang. Not Philly guy. Not Philly. Warriors ako. You don't see me buying Philadelphia jerseys. Anyway,
Bagay, yeah.
Embiid and George, maganda yung news na they might play start ng season. Or if not, maybe they may just miss the first week at the very
Mhm.
least, diba? They're
Mhm.
gonna start, basta projected. Mm,
Yeah.
Jared McCain is injured with a UCL, with a thumb
Grabe
stuff.
no, he can't catch a break talaga, no?
At least thumb na lang. Iba kasi pag tuhod yung injury eh.
Yeah. Pero babalik yan. Malamang sa ano yan? Mga
November.
January.
Di naman, grabe. Feel,
December.
feel mo, okay, November, December.
December.
So the key here is for Embiid, Paul George, and Maxi to stay healthy. If they stay healthy, I feel like they can jump all the way to 5. Pero for now, I'll be cautious on the 76ers. Di na ako believe kay Paul George, to be honest, Pat. Pero kay Joel Embiid, believe pa ako sa kanya. Believe ako kay Tyrese Maxey, and I believe Jared McCain, despite the injury to start of the year, can have another leap to his game and complement the stars.
I agree.
Ye-
I agree with you. Um, though ang 8 ko lang would be, hahabol ko lang yung akin.
Hmm.
Miami. Miami.
Okay, gets naman. I
So I
understand,
think medyo
Miami.
mag-aano na tayo dito. Mag-stabilize na tayo dito. Uh, Habulin ko lang yung sa'yo. I think Miami. Like what you said kanina, Bam's still gonna be there.
Mm.
Who's this guy? Tyler Hero. And then si Ware.
Khalil Ware.
If
Mm.
si Ware would be, I mean, will be that guy para matulungan si Bam,
Mm.
baka higher pa. Kasi ako hindi ko talaga, ayoko talaga yung Bam at the five eh.
Mm.
He's too small. Eh, Tagal na nilang sinusubukan yan.
Tama.
Pero
Okay.
pero with Ware there, baka, I don't know, sino yung ka-4 nila. Pero I think
Baka
bottom line
pagsabay
is
nila
that
si Bam at si Ware.
malamang,
Ipagsabay.
feeling ko
They
yun ang
do
gagawin
that.
nila eh.
They've been
Sasabay
doing
nila
that
yan.
last season. Mm.
Feeling ko isasabay nila yan and then titira lang ulit ng titira si Tyler.
Let the big man pick up my trash,
Yeah.
my misses.
Pero fun team again yan. Miami.
Mm.
Fun team to watch. Okay, your seven.
Seven. Boston. Boston Celtics. For me,
Ooh.
playoff team. Problema lang wala silang real big man. They only have si Xavier Tillman, Luka Garza, Nimi Esqueta. Wala nang Porzingis, wala nang Drew, wala nang Tatum.
Mhm.
Walang Tatum. And I have yet to see if Simons and Brown can mesh together in the regular season. Feel like 42 plus win team.
I think Keita will be a big factor, literally. I've read articles that he really asked for a starting spot. Sila ni Pritchard. So out there to prove something talaga sila. Plus for
Kapal
the
niya
for
ah.
the
Gusto niya maging starter ah.
during the games na pinalaro sila last year, alam ko may mga double-double si Keita. And
Sige, tingnan
hindi yun
natin.
trash minutes but yeah, I think uh it's their time to shine. If
Okay.
magawa nila yon, itong seven na to tama yan.
Sino seven mo?
Seven ko would be same with you, same same uh outlook on the Sixers. Umangat lang yung
Philly.
akin ng isa, Philadelphia.
Okay.
If
Pero ito yung ano nila.
healthy
Ito
yung
yung,
tatlo, if
oo,
healthy yung tatlo, 4-5 pa yan.
top 5 pag healthy yung tatlo. Tapos
Healthy yung
McCain.
tatlo. Mhm, mhm.
Sige. 6. For me, Milwaukee. Pasok na si Milwaukee dyan. Milwaukee Bucks. It's Giannis against the world. Pero nakita natin so far that the preseason, again preseason, pero ito na may point ng power rankings. Ba't natin kung tama tayo or not.
Mhm.
Kuzma's helping out. Wala na si Dame. Miles Turner is here. What a great front court, no? Turner and Giannis.
Super.
Both can space the floor din. And then, yeah, actually more of floor spacer si Miles na si Giannis. Mas open up na rin yung gitna. Even though na Brook Lopez naman was a previous ano. So any stretch big man is perfect to pair with Giannis.
Pero they
Uh,
also have crazy eyes pa. Bobby Portis.
Yun pa, nandun pa si Crazy Eyes, di ba?
Yeah. Problema lang nila guard.
Yeah, they don't
I think we
have
talked about this before. Wala silang guard. Pero medyo high sila kay KPJ ah.
yeah, they signed him. Di ba he's a starter, right? He's a
Wait, they have Cole
starter?
Anthony pala. They have Cole
Yeah, he's
Anthony.
alright.
But
Yeah, 13 mil guy. 13 mil.
hindi siya ano, but if gagawin niya as a floor general, pwede.
Pwede.
Hayaan niya si Giannis to work and then KPJ is there. Mukhang binibigyan nila ng chance si KPJ talaga ah.
They are,
Although
they
ba't
are.
wala
They
siyang
are, they
sweldo
are.
dito.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kevin Porter. Ba't wala siya sweldo? Alam ko sa ano to eh. Milwaukee.
Yeah, is there. News.
Milwaukee New. Well, mukhang ano naman, gets last laugh on doubters in preseason finale. So, I think
Eh,
naman he's
daming ang
gonna...
doubter niyan. Pero magaling yan. Sobrang galing yan.
Off the court issues naman kasi yan eh. Di ba?
Oo.
Off the court siya eh. Yeah, so I think he's with Miami. He's with Milwaukee naman. New role and shot.
Yeah. I think
Okay, let's see.
good call sa six.
Okay, 6 mo.
Good call sa six. It's so nice you have to see it twice. Milwaukee din.
Okay. Because of feel mo na the loss of Dame is Bearable.
compensated by the arrival of ano naman,
The guards that they
Miles.
have. Miles Turner, Kuzma siguro maybe becomes more reliable. And the rest of the core siguro, no? Pang six seed.
Yeah. Cole Anthony will be ano, wait and
Oh
see.
yeah, X Factor.
Super.
Okay.
Okay, eto na. Top
Number five
5.
ko, Atlanta Hawks. I have the Atlanta Hawks. I'm such a believer of Jalen Johnson and
Mm-hmm.
Dyson Daniels and Zachary Risashe. What a great wing to have. Wings. You have three amazing wings.
Mm-hmm.
Dyson Daniels, 5.9 deflections per game. Number one in the league last year. All defensive member, great in steals, and all around players sina Jalen Johnson and Dyson and Risa Shea. At the same time, complements Trey Young. I feel like they
True.
can take a leap in their defense this year.
Yeah.
Kasi ang sama ng defense nila last year, but they added Porzingis. Let's not forget Kristaps Porzingis now an Atlanta Hawk. We get 50 games out of him and that's fine.
At
50 out
least
of
50
82.
games. Yes, yes.
Oh, pa 50 mo lang and be healthy sa playoffs. Kaya yan, they can make some noise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Okay, my fifth is also the Atlanta Hawks. Feeling ko
okay,
pareho na tayo
more.
dito.
Add more. Ano
Um,
pa? May
to
mga
to
anything about
to
ATL.
add lang doon sa sinabi mo. I read something about Zach last year. Sobra daw
Risa
siyang
Shea?
nagulat. Yeah. So,
Mm.
sobra siyang nagulat when he started playing sa NBA na
Mm-hmm.
sabi niya, where I came from, ako yung pinaka-athletic. Nagulat ako sa NBA, lahat sila athletic. So,
Mediocre. Middle
super
of the
mediocre
pack
siya
na nga
last
lang siya eh.
year.
Middle of the
Magugulat.
pack na nga lang siya if you ask me.
Dude, magugulat ka sa even fantasy, okay? Gamitin natin basis ang fantasy. Sobrang yung drop. Sobrang yung drop, 'di ba? So, I think nag-mature na siya this year. Wala na yung, kung totoo yung sinasabi niya, nagulat lang siya. This is his year to prove it. Plus yun nga, sila Johnson, uh, Trae Young, of course.
Mm.
Finally, Okongwu leads the front line.
Not bad
Lagi
eh,
siya,
no? Not bad
yeah,
team nila eh.
yeah. Sino pa ba? Can you check the roster?
Mm.
I think I'm forgetting someone pa.
Nice addition, Luke Kennard.
Luke Kennard. Luke Kennard.
Nice addition.
'Di ba?
That's pretty much it, bro. Like si
Okongwu.
no, si Nikhil Alexander Walker, another
Yeah, yung
two
pinag-usapan
guard.
lang natin the other day. Uh,
That's nice. It's a fifth seed. Pwede.
yep, yep, I think tama tayo din sa fifth na yan.
Sana. We got to be proven wrong din naman kung ano tayo. If they
Hindi,
perform well.
tama na yan for sure. Dalawa lang.
Next one. Number four ko, the Detroit Basketball. I have
Okay.
Detroit. Detroit Pistons. Cade Cunningham, another year. Jalen Duren, Jaden Ivey, Ron Holland. Wait. Detroit Pistons roster. It's really Cade, the engine of this roster. We
Kumbaga, this
had
is a
glimpses.
team, a very
Solid
good and
team.
young team na
Yeah.
nadagdagan na ng
Osar
experience
Thompson. I
points.
forgot about Osar. You
More
got
experience
Osar.
points for them
Si
from
ano,
last year.
Si Kong, nandito. Arjo, nandito rin. Floor spacer para sa Pistons. So, the pieces fit. Tobias Harris
Yep.
also, veteran presence. Do it all forward, gives you 10, 12 points a game, 3 and 3.
Plus, guys, Duncan Robinson, mas
Oo
shooter
nga,
sila ngayon. Mas shooter sila ngayon. If they
oo.
let this guy play, mas shooter na sila ngayon.
I think they'll give him 15 minutes a game. I feel like he's warranted
Bibigyan siya
15.
ng what? Three pointers per game? Or
Yun
more?
naman
More
talaga
or less?
role niya. I feel like most
Oh,
of his shots will just be the three. Like, stay outside, just go around screens, find
yep.
yourself, or watch for the flare screens, and kung may open lane, open shot, bibigay sa'yo ni Cade yan.
Very true.
Mm-mm.
Okay,
Four.
same.
Same
I
na tayo.
think, like what
Okay.
what
More,
I
just
said
more na lang.
earlier, I think this is a very young and good team na with added experience points.
Mm.
So kumbaga, ito na yung mga, 'di ba, trust the process. They're in the process already. So I think,
Okay.
yeah, fight tong Detroit Pistons team na to.
Okay. Number three. Orlando? Same ba
Orlando.
tayo?
Yeah, I think same na tayo dito.
Damn, can you imagine the Orlando Magic at three? In what world we are in? Pero,
With
Think
with
about it. If you go
Desmond
to their
Bain.
roster, you will see why. For our viewers, let's check. We should have done this earlier, no? No, sa ano pa lang natin. Sa Western. Biro ko binubuksan to eh. You got Paolo Banquero, you got Desmond Bain, you got Franz Wagner, you got Jonathan Isaac, hopefully he's healthy, Wendell Carter. You got the other, si Mo Wagner.
Yeah.
Who else?
Ano si
They
ano?
got
There.
great role players to complement their
Mhm.
stars. Kaya feel ko kaya
Saka
nila
they're ano?
mag-three.
What do you call this?
Jalen Suggs
They're,
also, another
they're energy
all-defensive
guy.
guy.
They're energy guy.
Who
Jalen
you talking about?
Suggs.
Oh yeah, I just
Jalen
mentioned,
Suggs.
yeah. Oo.
Yeah.
They look like a solid eight man deep na they won't lose a step, no? First
Mm-hmm.
eight, nine
Mm-hmm.
man team.
And
Pero,
again,
if you think about it, Pat, this could interchange. Interchangeable ang 3 to 5, if you ask me. Interchangeable yan. Hindi siya set in stone. If you ask me,
yep.
ah.
Yeah, I
Hindi siya
agree. I agree.
definite. It
I agree.
3 to 5 can revolve around this three.
Ano yan? Sino unang magkakamali?
Or who will get a major injury? Knock on wood. Sino yung magkaka-bad luck, di ba?
Actually true.
And that tends to happen with Orlando, especially Wendell Carter and
Orlando,
Jonathan
lagi.
Isaac. Di ba? Si
Lagi.
Jonathan Isaac at si Wendell Carter, lagi napipila yung dalawang yan. You lose him for
Hindi ko
20
alam pag
games.
naglalaro pa yung Jonathan Isaac.
Kasi he's a great perimeter defender. Sobrang galing.
Tapos, di
Stocks
ba,
yan.
ano pa?
Fantasy yan, bro. Gives you
Di ba,
1.5 steals, 1.5 blocks a game.
sa kanya, di ba, na-stunt yung career niya with that whole
Yung
vaccine
ano,
thing?
yung vaccine, oh, pare,
Oo.
labo rin. Sabi ko, you're that kind of person pala.
Hindi ko magets. Ano ba, principles lang ba yon
Hindi ko
or
alam sa
health
mga yan, bro.
risk?
Tingnan
Pero
mo
if
tong
you're
peak niya,
earning
oh.
that much na,
Diba?
dapat,
Educate yourself naman, parang kung ganun. Parang pwede ba?
sacrifice mo yung career mo, saka ka na, okay na yan.
Yan, no? Wala ka bang PR? Wala ka bang manager? Pero baka gano'n yung inisip ng manager niya, no? Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that peak. 2.3 blocks and 1.4 steals. This was peak Jonathan
Mhm.
Isaac, second
Mhm.
round, third round fantasy. Pero, bokya ka. 34 games lang.
Yan yata yung ano eh.
Problema niya,
End of the season na siya,
he's been
almost
hurt.
pa end of the season na siya naglaro.
But he's been
Yan
healthy
yata
last two
yan.
seasons. Hey man, he's been healthy though, at least.
Yung
Pero 15
71 na yan,
minutes.
ha?
Yeah, but 15 minutes a game. So, still not the same guy
You
as
know
we
what? Thank you
used
for
to.
this. Thank you for this episode. It's helping me with
Sa
my
fantasy
draft
mo.
this Sunday. Our draft.
Natin.
Our draft this Sunday. Our draft.
Oh. Oh, number 2
Okay,
tayo,
eto
Pat.
na.
Oh, ano, feel
Unless
ko
may...
magkaka-interchange tayo dito. Sino sa'yo?
Sige, kung unless crazy tayo dito, sige.
Cleveland,
Go.
number 2. Number 2, Cleveland.
Oh!
Ano? Cleveland ko number 2. Hindi ako believe sa Cleveland. Uh, but believe ako sa kanila. They're a regular season team. Pero, feel ko din sila mag number 1. They caught everybody by surprise last season. 'Di ba? They
Yeah.
caught everybody by surprise last season. Pero dahil wala na yung surprise factor, 2 na sila. Hindi na sila 1. Alam mo na kung sino yung 1 kasi it's the only team that's missing here.
Yep. Ako
Sino 2 mo?
naman, no,
Ikaw, sige. Feel free to say stuff mo na with
hindi.
Cleveland. So,
Cleveland din ako.
2?
Cleveland din ako.
Parehas pala tayo.
Because I think New York did a very good job in the off season.
Oh,
Parang filling
actually,
up
it
for
makes
the
sense na we have to put New York na rin kasi sino mga...
yeah, parang ano, you know what Denver did na parang making sure okay yung non-Jokic minutes nila.
Mm,
For me, that is what New York did
they have shored
with
up
Clarkson. Kumbaga, more firepower sa minutes na wala sila Brunson.
more, 'di ba, ma-alleviate yung minutes, no?
Yeah, even this guy, di ba they got Yabusele?
Yeah, bro, si Gershon can help
Yeah.
out for sure. What a good contract, 5.5.
Mhm.
That's a steal.
For me, that's the only reason. Pero kung wala yon, I think Cleveland pa rin yung one. Kasi ang
Bubuy ka
problema
pala
lang ng...
eh. Bubuy ka pala eh. Si
Sige
Bubu pala
nga,
eh.
pronounce mo nga yung si Tosan.
Sino, which one? Sino yun? Ito,
Uh,
Evbon. Bro, di ko alam. Kala mo French, no? But he's
ano
from
yan, bro?
Princeton.
Ano, broadcaster's nightmare.
Tosan Evbon, man.
Number
Wow.
20. But yeah, I think kaya nang number two yung Cleveland dahil doon sa additions ng New York. Cleveland will still be the same. They will improve, yeah. Pero I think I think this will be New York's year to take the East.
Yeah, same. New York's
Wag lang
here
magka-injury. Wag lang magka-injury.
only to fall to a Western Conference team in the finals. But for me, New
Possible.
York
Yeah.
can make the finals. Actually, Pat, let me revise, no? 2 to 5 can interchange. 2 to 5 can
Mm.
interchange. Diba? Because if the Cavs have been figured out in the playoffs, that means they could, diba, potentially fall to 5. They have a
Mm.
really, sila yung may big boss
Yeah.
potential. I'm talking about the Cavs. They have a big boss potential.
Ako naman, I'm sticking with tama ka dun sa, for me, 3 to 5 yung
Hindi, 2 to
halo-halo.
5 na ako ngayon. Feel ko,
Yeah.
that's
Ako
for me.
3.
I'm not sure with you. So 3 to
For
5
me
lang.
kasi, kaya solid pa rin yung Cleveland. Sa playoffs lang naman sila nagbe-breakdown eh.
Regular season, solid as ever,
Yeah.
ganon for
Remember
you.
that meme sa Toronto na Jurassic Park sila sa season, biglang pag playoffs, Barney na lang sila. For
Barney,
me,
okay.
parang ganun yung Cleveland eh. Parang for some reason, kahit sobrang lakas nila, hindi sila maabot talaga eh.
Okay, okay,
So for
okay.
me, regular season, solid pa rin sila. It's just that I think the additions of New York made them better. But
Okay.
Cleveland is a solid two.
And everyone, that's the end of our rankings. NBA Eastern Conference Power Rankings. Nico here with Pat. Let us know what you think. Let us know in the comments. Be nice as always.
Please
Lalo
be
na kay
nice
Pat.
to me. Please be nice
Especially
to
yung
me.
number 14. Feel ko makakarinig tayo from Celtics
It's my
fans.
it's
Pero
my
Pat is a Celtics fan.
I'm a Celtic
So,
fan, guys. I'm a Celtic fan. Kung ako lang masusunod, higher. Pero come on,
it's
let's
actually
be
the
real.
fans are the most unforgiving to their own teams, no? Diba? It's
Yeah,
always the fans that are either the most they turn a blind eye to their team or they're the most unforgiving. So si
yung
Pat
unforgiving
halatang
sobra.
ikaw yun. Very pessimistic ka sa team mo na.
Pessimistic talaga ako sa kanila right now. Kasi, isipin mo, di ba they got Anthony Simons? Pero, till the very last day, nakuha na nila siya, hinahanapan pa nila ng trade. Kung ikaw yung player, gusto nyo ba talaga?
Buburot kayo, no? Ano ba talaga
Ba't
sa
nyo pa
akin? Ano
ako,
ba to?
ba't nyo pa ako kinuha dito? Ano ba gusto nyo? Diba? But yun nga, preseason is preseason. You saw how he played. I really hope that they make it.
Yun. Anyway, the NBA is back next week, guys, and we'll see you all next time. We'll make an episode once there's big developments na or any significant things to talk about. Thank you all. See you.
Bye guys, thank you.